Okay, so to get started with the course, we are going to go to this site, bit.ly/digitalworks.ros. So I'm going to copy this link. You can copy this link, and I will go to my browser and open it from my browser. I'll go to my browser here and paste it, and I will send it. So I'm going to open right now. You can see we have a lot of products here, high quality PLR products you can feel good about selling to your customers. When you scroll down here, you will see a lot of things you can do with these products. It's actually massive. You can see a lot of products you can get here. Many of them are, some of them are free, but some of them you have to 12,590 product training videos. The opportunity in here is massive, so you need to become a member. So we are going to click here, register for free. You click here and register your name and fill up these things. Okay, fill up these things and get started. So when you get started, you need to go back and let me go back and log in. Let me go back. When you register, because you cannot do anything without registration. When you register, you now come back here on this site and go to these free products. Can you see these free products up here? Where my mouse is pointing. Free ebooks, free software, free videos, free graphics, free music. So I'm going to go to free ebook. So I'm going to go to free ebook. So it's opening. Okay, so that means that everything here is free. Everything you're getting here is free. So I'm going to, these are ebooks, okay? Internet Business Startup Kit. This is interesting, okay? This is really interesting. So you just look for a product that is very catchy. This is nice. 30 days to attraction marketing that brings people to you. These are wonderful products you can get. Just look for the one that will solve problem for your audience, okay? Because you need to be sure that it aligns with people that you want to sell it to. So let's just go and pick one for this course. For the sake of this course, you can go later and pick them at your pace. Okay. The warrior marketer. Let me click on this one. Okay. Let me click on that. It's opening. So it's opening. So everything is here, and I have to scroll down to see the rights I have for this book, because it's not all of them that you can do everything with. You can see the rights I have here. It can be sold, can be used for personal use, can be packaged with other products, can be modified, can modify and change the sales letter, can be added into paid membership website. So this one you have total rights. Can print and publish online. You have right to do anything, but you cannot change the main product. You cannot change it. So let's go and download this product right now. So I'm going to download it. I'll download it. They say I should log in. So if you have not registered, you have to register here. and let me log in. So when you are I have an account already, so I'll just log in. So you must have registered before doing this. So I will just log in, and it will come back here. Where was it? Where are you? Where are we? I've gone back. Okay. We need to go back to free products and free ebooks to get there. Okay. It's coming up. It's coming up. It's coming up. So it's coming up. It's coming up. I don't know. I think network is acting up. I think it's still coming up. It's still loading. So when it loads, it will just save. Let's see if it's going to load here right now, so that we can do it and you see how it is. Okay. Okay, it's here now. Let's go back to this guy. My name is here now. I'm signed in. Okay. So if you're not signed in, you can't download anything. You need to sign in. So you need to sign in at first before coming here. So I just clicked on download. It's downloading. Look at it here. It's coming here. So it's quite big. So I'm just going to give it time to download. And I will pause this video now and let it download. In the next video, I will now teach you how to extract it, because it's in a zip folder. I'll teach you how to extract it and save it in your system, or this is a system that we are using. Save it in your system and now save it in your Google Drive. That's the next thing I will teach you how to do. Okay? So I want to believe that you got value. So do this part of the course right now, practice it, and wait for the next video. Okay? When it comes to online learning, you must practice to make the learning yours. If you don't practice, the learning is not your own. So I will see you in the next video. I remain Chiamaka Gebike. I like to call myself the teacherpreneur. See you in my next video.